Okay, so this is my lab one. It's about the browning of apples. So here is my setup for today. This first bowl is going to be left out in the exposed air. This one is going to be blanched. This one is lemon juice, pineapple juice, and then sugar. So this first one, I'm just going to set out, and then I'm going to have to slowly do the second, that one. These apples are going to sit in here for a minute, boiling water. Oh boy. While that's sitting, we're going to pour on lemon juice, pineapple juice, and sugar. That's my apples. And those are all going to sit for the amount of time. And now we're going to take out my apples and put them in some ice cold water. Really quickly. Boom.
In 45 minutes, so we're gonna come back to our part one. So the ones exposed to air are pretty brown, but the tart apples are a lot less brown than the sweet apple. Here's the blanched ones. They are about the same. They are not too brown though. Lemon, they are not very brown at all. Both of them are the same. There's the pineapple juice. The tart apple is not brown, but the sweet one's a little brown. And then the sugar, they are both pretty brown, but I'd say that the tart one's actually brown in the sweet. Okay, so I'm now going to set a timer for 45 minutes. I'm gonna come back and I will let you guys know how it goes. Okay, so now I'm on part two of the first lab, and I'm going to peel these Granny Smith apples, and they have both been washed. Okay, while my tart apples are in the pot, I'm going to start my sweet apples and peel them, and then do the same thing I did last time. Now we're going to use a chef's knife. I'm going to cut this in 2 quarters. Now we're going to use a pan knife to core each of these apples. Now, using the knife, you're going to cut these into 3 or 4s, and then we're going to cut these in half. We're going to do that for every single apple we have here. This is going to help quicken up the cooking process. Now that all the sweet apples are cut up, I am now going to wait for my other apples to be done to use that pot. Now we're going to add in sugar to taste. I'm just going to use the 1 teaspoon and do about half of that. Twice. Since finishing the last lab, I changed my gloves, and I am going to add these to the pot of boiling water. Okay. Now I'm going to cover them up and wait